Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where creativity has no limits. I am Anil Ferrao aka Mr. Ferrao and you are watching Artist City. So today we have another commission canvas painting from Hotel Gomati in Margao, Goa. This will be the reference for the painting. So let's start. Always varnish your paintings, but they should be completely dried first. Varnish protects your paintings from dust and yellowing. So if you guys learned something from this video, do like this video, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from Artist City. This is all for today. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay creative.